Up this week on the channel, we've got the most amazing charred tenderstem broccoli, a spicy citrus sweet and sour satay sauce, burnt lime, crushed peanuts, coriander, and a little bit of shredded chili. And I think tenderstem broccoli is an absolute go-to for special occasions. Okay, so we are going to be using the tenderstem broccoli. It's a unique nutty flavour, by far the most superior of the brassicas as far as I'm concerned. It's got a beautiful ability to char, and that's why we're going to use a big pan today. Big pan, lots of surface area, which means we're going to get caramelisation through there, we get some char through there, which is going to give us flavour. So into our blender, we've got 2 cloves of garlic. We've got around 5 to 6 grams of fresh ginger. I'm just taking the skin off here using the spoon. That can go straight in. We've got the juice of 1 lime. And now we want an element of sweetness. So we've got some tamarind. There's about a tablespoon there. We've got some honey. We've got some sweet chili sauce, which is going to have sugar in there. It's got honey in there. It's got our chili in there, but it's not going to give it a huge amount of heat. So we've got the sweetness of the sweet chili in there. Now, I like a little bit more heat, so I'm going to take a chili. And lastly, we're going to take a generous scoop of our peanut butter. I've gone for crunchy on here. You can use whatever you want. On with our lid. And there we have the perfect silky smooth satay sauce. Okay, that can now go into a small saucepan. We're going to heat up our sauce. We just want a light amount of heat going through there. And I'm going to add some sesame oil to that, and that's just going to thin the sauce down. Right, that's bubbling away nicely. Let's get on with our tenderstem broccoli. So tenderstem broccoli, incredibly versatile. You can get loads of flavour through there. It's really got a unique nutty flavour through there. So we're going to get caramelisation through there, char marks as well, and then we're going to put the nuts on top, which is going to complement that perfectly. There's nothing else to prepare on that. You can eat the floret top, and you can eat all of the stem. I'm going to be using sesame oil today. You can use butter, vegetable oil, whichever oil you want to use. So oil is nice and hot. We're going to go in with our broccoli. And we want to get really nice char marks on here. And you can see instantly we've got to get the caramelisation and the blackening of the broccoli. Got a little bit of our lime juice again. It's really important not to overcook this. We're talking about 4 or 5 minutes. Just get a nice char on it. It's going to release all those beautiful flavours, and we can serve this one up. This type of dish stands perfectly by itself. However, it'd be amazing with something like a salmon or a piece of chicken and rice. I just find that the tenderstem broccoli looks amazing on the plate. We're going to take another piece of our chili, and that going with it as well. We've got a small drizzle of our honey, which is going to give us our caramelisation process. And that is exactly how you want it. You want the tenderstem to have a bite in there as well. So serve this one up. We take some of our amazing satay sauce. And we're going to simply drop our broccoli just over the top. We're going to take our lime. I'm just going to char that off. And there, that's what we want, those beautiful like caramelised char lines on there. And we're going to finish that simply. I've got some toasted peanuts here, just finely chopped. And last but not least, this is totally optional, but a few bits of coriander in there work really, really well. And there we go, that is my charred tenderstem broccoli done in a beautiful chili, sweet and citrus, a satay sauce, and finished off with some burnt lime, peanuts and coriander. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment on the description box down below. Please subscribe, tell everyone about the channel, and I'll see you soon. Cheers then, bye-bye.